What is RAM? Random access memory is your Mac's short-term memory, storing data for active apps. macOS manages RAM automatically, but if too many apps are open, it can use up all the available RAM, causing your Mac to slow down or freeze. To see how much RAM is in use and which apps consume the most memory, follow these steps. Open Activity Monitor. Switch to the Memory tab. Check the memory pressure graph at the bottom. Green means your Mac has sufficient memory. Yellow or red, your system is low on memory. Below the graph, you'll find a list of apps and processes. The memory column shows how much RAM each app is using. Try these methods to optimize your Mac's memory. Close unused applications. Press Command+Q to fully quit apps instead of just minimizing them. Limit browser tabs and extensions. Close unnecessary tabs and remove unused extensions to free up RAM. Disable startup apps. Go to System Settings, General, Login Items. Remove unnecessary apps so they don't launch at startup. Restart your Mac. A reboot clears temporary files and refreshes system memory, boosting performance instantly. Update macOS. System updates include performance optimizations. Check for updates in System Settings, General, Software Update. Reduce visual effects. Go to System Settings, Accessibility, Display. Enable Reduce Transparency to lower system resource usage. Force quit memory hogging apps. Open Activity Monitor, click the memory column to sort apps from most to least memory usage, then click the X button to close resource-intensive apps. For an effortless way to monitor and free up RAM, try Memory Cleaner by Nektony. It allows automatic RAM cleanup when your Mac is overloaded, helping maintain smooth performance. Managing RAM effectively is key to keeping your Mac running fast and stable.